Ambiguity is not vague. Vague is not ambiguity. Ambiguity may be vague within some syntactical context, and vague in the sense that of vaguely inexplicable. So these next series of discussions, we're going to venture into stuff like ambiguity, paradoxes, which is paradoxes are ambiguous, but it depends on the context, whether it's a noun or a verb or adjective or adverb, pronoun. It's a whole different grammatical subject. So paradoxes is based on contradictory, polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light technically is considered a paradox, a duality, and ambiguity simultaneously, because paradoxes is based on contradictory, ambiguity deals with indecisiveness. We see that in abstract visual art, where the art may have ambiguous interpretations, multiple interpretations. And because we have the wave particle duality in light,